Hi, and welcome back to Leap Telecom, and we are going to explore another feature in the Cadence hosted PBX today called ring groups. And what are ring groups? I guess would be the best way to start. And a ring group is simply a group of extensions, and it allows all of those extensions to be rung at the same time. Now, this is very, very common when you have a sales group and a support group or anything where you want a bunch of people that are all going to have their phones ring at the same time, and whoever answers it first takes the call. So from a menu, we'll branch out to a ring group that can have multiple people in it. Pretty simple construct. So let's take a look at how to create a ring group. So we're in the Cadence system here. We go to ring groups. Now I've got a marketing group in here. I'm just going to go ahead and hit plus, and we will call this sales, and we have a timeout. So the timeout is how many seconds it's going to wait before it goes to the failover destination. And that can be another group, it can be an extension, it can be a voicemail, it can be any number of things. It can be another menu. So I like 24. Typically, every ring is 6 seconds. So 24, 6 times 4 is 24. That's going to be 4 rings before it does something else. I don't like people just hanging out forever, just listening to the phone ring. So I'm going to give it 4 rings before it goes somewhere else. So now if no one answers during those 4 rings, then I want it to go to my voicemail box. So pretty simple right there. Now, who all is this going to ring? Well, I don't have a bunch of people in my test account here. So I would have Carrie's desk phone, Tom's desk phone, Sue's desk phone, whatever I want to have in this ring group, and just hit save. And now to go to that, I'm going to have my menu here. I'll go to my main menu. I have hit 1 to go to marketing. I'm going to say hit 2 to go to sales, and it's going to go to the sales ring group. Now I can upload a greeting from here so that it says, you know, this is our main menu. So the greeting is going to be, thank you for calling Acme Widgets. Press 1 for sales, 2 for marketing, 3 for support, whatever I want that to be. And then I'm going to go and hit save, and our ring group is now ready to go. We've got our sales ring group in here. We can edit it. We can change routing. We can see how this is going to work. We have our main menu going to our ring group, which will ring the desk phone, and if there's no answer, it'll go to the voicemail box. So there's a visual view of it will help you make sure that you have it set up properly. So this was a short and simple video today on setting up ring groups. Hope that helped you to understand what ring groups are all about. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell icon to get notified whenever we put out a new video. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.